Assembly language and machine language are both low-level programming languages that are closely related, but there are some key differences between them. Machine language is the lowest-level programming language that directly represents the binary instructions executed by a computer's central processing unit, CPU. Each instruction corresponds to a specific operation that the CPU can perform, and these instructions are represented in binary code. On the other hand, assembly language is a slightly higher-level language that uses mnemonics and symbols to represent the machine language instructions. Each assembly language instruction typically corresponds to a single machine language instruction, providing a more human-readable format. In terms of representation, machine language consists of binary code, which is a sequence of 0s and 1s that the computer's CPU can directly execute. Assembly language, on the other hand, uses mnemonic codes and symbols to represent the machine language instructions. These mnemonics are easier for humans to understand and work with compared to raw binary code. When it comes to readability and writability, machine language is extremely difficult for humans to read and write directly, as it consists of binary digits. Assembly language, on the other hand, is more readable and writable for humans due to the use of mnemonics and symbols. Programmers can write code in assembly language, which is then translated into machine language using an assembler. In terms of portability, machine language is specific to the architecture of the CPU for which it is written. Programs written in machine language are not easily portable to different CPU architectures. Assembly language, while still tied to a specific architecture, is more portable than machine language. Portability is achieved by using symbolic names for operations and registers, allowing easier adaptation to different architectures with the use of different assemblers. In summary, machine language is the raw binary code directly executable by the CPU, while assembly language provides a more human-readable and writable representation of those machine language instructions using mnemonic codes and symbols. Assembly language is considered a higher-level abstraction compared to machine language. Now that we've covered the basics of machine and assembly languages, we're excited to hear your thoughts. Did you find our explanation clear and helpful? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to dive deeper into? Please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is crucial in helping us create content that serves your learning needs. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated with more content like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. By subscribing and liking our videos, you're helping us reach more learners and expand our community. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe makes a difference. Thank you for being part of our learning community, and see you in our next video.